akan belajar alat nama alat. Tapi yang untuk makannya sekarang namanya tableware. Plate, bowl, knife, spoon, fork, chopstick. Tableware. It's dinner time. I need a spoon. Salah, plate. I need a bowl. I need a knife.
Slow. Repeat again.
I need a knife. I need a spoon. I need a fork. I need chopsticks.
Okay, let's repeat again from the beginning. Okay, let's see. What is this?
Bread.
And this one?
Stick.
And this one?
Hamburger.
And what color's the plate?
Green.
And next, what color is the bowl?
Yellow and red.
Okay, repeat again. Read.
Yellow and red.
Read.
I need a bowl.
Slow. I need.
I need a bowl.
Read. Read this one again.
I need a knife.
What color is the knife?
Blue and green and gray.
Excellent. And repeat again. Read.
I need a spoon.
What color is the spoon?
Yellow.
That's correct. And next.
I need a fork.
Excellent. And the final page, what is this?
I need chopsticks.
Chopsticks. So, what do you need if you want to eat? Okay, what do you need? I need
a plate. I need a bowl. I need a knife. I need a spoon. I need a fork. I need chopstick.
All right.
Bye bye.